Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I will show you how you can put this device into download mode. So I do want to quickly say you still can access the remainder of download mode in like the normal way that we used to, but there is still the same download mode that we had before available, though it takes a little bit more steps just because Samsung has introduced a new feature / limitation for us. So we will need obviously a cable like we always do with anything Samsung related. So I'm gonna grab one, and it should be plugged in to your computer for no other reason than just to annoy you. I mean, to be fair, for download mode, this kind of makes sense. So first thing that we'll need to do on our device is navigate into the settings, and this is where the actual portion changes because we do need to do some extra steps. And in here we want to navigate to device care, scroll down, and we have the maintenance mode. Now maintenance mode is used for repair purposes. Previously you would need to factory reset your device to give it to someone like OneCare, which is at least in Poland a partner for Samsung repairs if I remember correctly, and these dipshits would want you to wipe your phone for any benign reason, and I believe it was just strictly done to fuck with you, because there's no reason why I would need to wipe my data for a damn battery replacement. You just fucking take out one, put in another. You don't need to do anything extra. So this is now going to basically prevent them from doing this, as well they literally have no reason to, as we're going to enter the maintenance mode. You'll see why you no longer need to wipe your data. Now this is also what we need to do to boot our device into download mode. So let this boot up back into Android, back into, I guess in this case, into the maintenance mode, and we can pick up with the actual download mode from there. So you can see we are now in the maintenance mode, and just to quickly demonstrate this, if we go into something like photos, you will find nothing, contacts and call history and all that stuff. There's nothing here. This is obviously designed for someone like OneCare to repair your phone, provide you with bullshit excuses why they need access to it, and you give them this, and now they can do whatever they need. And if they ask you for your screen lock, you can go tell them to piss off and know your place, because they should have no reason. Whatever they will need, it's here. But now moving on to the actual download mode, we can now turn off the device while it's in this mode, plug in the cable, gonna wait for a moment. Gonna wait some more after you see this. We're waiting for this to disappear. There we go. So once it disappears, you can now, why is this phone so warm? You can hold now volume up, down, and power button all at the same time. And let go of the power button, but I don't think it's booting up normally for some reason. Yep, it's just, or sorry, I don't think it's booting into where we need to. So I'm gonna try this again. So once more. I'm gonna try to hold it right now. Okay, it's still booting up normally for idiotic reasons. I don't know if maybe I got a wrong cable for some reason and it's not really connecting to the computer, but it is making the sound, so it should be. And I did test this out on other Samsungs and it does work. I even recorded this for the Fold 8. So I know it normally works. I'm just not sure why it's not working right now. I'm gonna give it one last shot, but this is how you enter it anyways. So this process doesn't change whatsoever. So I'm gonna try it one last time. I'm gonna give it some time. So this shows up now the second time. I don't know if it's just gonna be blinking. So anyway, yeah, but it looks like it's just blinking. So again, I'm gonna hold volume buttons and power button. Oh, there we go. So it looks like you might need to let go of the power button right when the Samsung Galaxy logo shows up, which changed just a bit. Before it would have just automatically entered this without even showing the Samsung Galaxy screen. So that's kind of where I was, I guess, getting tripped up. But there we go. Here's our well, not really download mode just yet, but this is how you enter it right now. So you can see to continue we need to press volume up. So I'm going to just click volume up, and there is our download mode. So that is how you would access this. Now to leave it, typically when you're using download mode, for whatever reason you had it, whatever the process was doing with it would automatically leave this mode. But if you are just leaving it because, I don't know, maybe something didn't work, or you just don't give up, or don't want to do it, we can unplug the cable. And what we're going to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. When held for more than 7 seconds, this will turn off the device and actually reboot it. So you can still see, there we go, it just turned off. Was the little white arrow. This screen brightness went down on its own, so that's why it was kind of dimmer when I unplugged it. Now this will bring us back into the maintenance mode, so we will also need to leave that mode as well. And to do so, come on, we're gonna go into the settings. Now this is also what you would want to do when you give your phone for repair and it was in the maintenance mode. So you'd go in here, go to device care, and also maintenance mode, and then exit, restart, and you will need to confirm your screen lock. This is also one of the reasons why you should not be giving the repair service any kind of screen locks, as they don't need it. If they do, it's because they want to access your personal data. And you can see we're now back in the normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.